Have you ever added garlic to your meals thinking you were doing something incredibly healthy, only to wonder later whether you were actually using it the right way? Because garlic is powerful, especially for people over 50. But most people never hear about the common mistakes that quietly reduce the benefits or make it harder on the body. And if you eat garlic for energy, immunity, support, heart wellness, or digestion, stay with me, because you're about to learn the biggest mistakes people make when using garlic and how a few simple changes can completely upgrade the way garlic works for you. And I promise, by the end of this video, you might be surprised by how many of these mistakes you've been making without even realizing it. Garlic is one of the most popular foods in the world for a reason. People have used it for centuries for flavor and for wellness support. But here's something most people don't realize. Garlic's most valuable compounds don't automatically activate just because you chop it or cook it. Garlic only reaches its full potential when you treat it correctly. It's like having a powerful tool in your kitchen, but not knowing which buttons to press to turn it on. And for people over 50, how you use garlic becomes even more important because the body becomes more sensitive. Digestion changes, metabolism shifts, and the small choices matter more than ever. So as I take you through these common mistakes, keep asking yourself, have I been doing that? Could this be the reason garlic isn't working as well for me? Because the answers might surprise you. Let's start with something almost everyone does without thinking. Chopping garlic and immediately throwing it into a hot pan. It seems normal, right? But here's the thing, garlic needs time to activate its natural compounds. Those compounds develop after garlic is crushed or chopped and exposed to air for a short time. When you toss it straight into the pan, especially into very hot oil, you don't give it time to transform. And once garlic hits heat too soon, many of those beneficial compounds never fully form. It's not dangerous. You're just not unlocking its real potential. Giving garlic a little time to rest before cooking can make the difference between a clove that simply adds flavor and one that brings more to the table for your overall wellness. And that's something a lot of people over 50 never hear about. Another mistake many people make is eating garlic on an empty stomach. Garlic is strong. Its flavor is strong. Its scent is strong. And its natural compounds are strong. For some people, especially older adults, eating it first thing in the morning or alone without food can feel too sharp or cause discomfort. If you've ever eaten raw garlic by itself and felt a burning sensation or a little stomach uneasiness, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Garlic works better for many people when paired with food. Think of it like giving your stomach a cushion so the garlic doesn't hit quite as hard. A lot of people also make the mistake of overcooking garlic. Garlic burns fast. It goes from golden to dark brown in seconds. And once it burns, not only does it lose much of its value, but it also becomes bitter. Burnt garlic is something the stomach doesn't always appreciate. If you're over 50 and you accidentally burn the garlic in your pan before adding your other ingredients, you might notice it later in the way your body feels. Cooking garlic gently with moderate heat can make a huge difference. Then there's the habit of relying only on garlic powders or pre-minced garlic in jars. They're convenient, sure, but the longer garlic sits after being processed, the more it loses its natural intensity. Fresh garlic gives the best flavor and the greatest natural impact. That doesn't mean you can never use garlic powder. It just means fresh garlic, especially when prepared correctly, works differently. Many people think they're getting the same thing from jarred garlic, but it's not quite the same. If your garlic tastes too mild or doesn't remind you of the rich flavor you expect, that's why another mistake people make is assuming that more garlic automatically means more benefit. Garlic is powerful, and just like anything powerful, you don't need huge amounts to feel good about using it. Too much garlic at once can feel heavy or uncomfortable for some people, especially if digestion has become more sensitive with age. If you've ever eaten a very garlic-heavy meal and felt your body react more than you expected, that's a sign that your body prefers moderation. Some people also forget to store garlic the right way. Garlic needs a cool, dry, and well-ventilated space. Many people put garlic in plastic bags or store it in the refrigerator where moisture can build and affect the cloves. Or they leave peeled garlic exposed in bowls, which makes it dry out faster. When garlic dries out, it loses flavor and becomes harder to work with. Fresh, firm cloves offer the best results. If you've had the same garlic bulb sitting around for weeks and it's become rubbery, wrinkled, or sprouting green shoots, its quality has changed. Again, not dangerous, just not ideal. Another common mistake is using garlic and expecting it to be a quick fix for everything. Garlic supports overall wellness as part of a balanced lifestyle, not as a shortcut. People sometimes eat one clove and hope for instant effects. But garlic works like most natural foods, gradually, gently, consistently. And that kind of steady support becomes even more important after 50, because the body responds beautifully to gentle routines rather than extremes. One more mistake many people make is eating garlic without noticing how their body responds. Everybody is different. Some older adults feel great with a bit of garlic every day. Others prefer smaller amounts. Some enjoy it cooked, while others like it raw. Paying attention to what feels comfortable is important. If garlic feels too strong, there's nothing wrong with reducing the amount or cooking it more gently. It's all about tuning in to your body. Some people also forget that garlic pairs better with certain foods than others. Garlic works beautifully when mixed with vegetables, lean proteins, healthy oils, and whole grains. The combination helps your body use the nutrients in garlic more comfortably. Garlic alone is powerful, but garlic as part of a balanced meal is where it shines. Once you understand how to pair foods, everything starts working together instead of working separately. And finally, one of the biggest mistakes people make is giving up too soon. Garlic is a long-term ally. It's something you use consistently as part of your lifestyle, not just once and expect immediate results. People try it for a day or two, don't feel much, and think it's not worth it. But wellness grows slowly. Garlic is like planting something in your garden. You don't see the results on day one, but with time and consistency, the benefits build up quietly in the background, supporting you in ways you don't always see instantly. Now imagine how different your daily routine could feel if you used garlic the right way. Imagine meals that taste richer, digestion that feels smoother, energy that feels steadier, and wellness habits that feel natural instead of forced. Garlic may be small, but its impact adds up, especially for people over 50 who want simple daily habits that support long-term vitality. Most people try to make healthy choices, but they never learn these small details that make those choices actually work. That's why you're watching channels like Evergreen Health After 50. Because here, you learn the simple, practical things nobody teaches but everyone should know. Learning these garlic mistakes isn't about being perfect. It's about understanding your food and your body better. And once you do that, every meal becomes an opportunity to support yourself. You're not just living intentionally. You're giving your body what it needs, gently, consistently, and naturally. And if some of these mistakes sounded familiar while you listened, that's good. That means you're paying attention, you're learning, and you're taking steps that many people never take. Most people let age slow them down, but you're doing the opposite. You're growing wiser, stronger, and more aware of what helps your body feel good and what doesn't. Garlic is just one piece of the wellness journey, but it's an easy, accessible, everyday piece, something almost everyone already has in their kitchen. When you start using it correctly, you turn something ordinary into something surprisingly supportive. So keep going, keep learning, keep taking these simple steps every day that support your health, your energy, and your future. Your body appreciates every good choice you make, even the small ones. And if you want more natural wellness tips, simple food guidance, and gentle fitness ideas that help you stay strong after 50, you already know where to find them right here on Evergreen Health After 50.